What's up guys, back with another video.
Oh shit.
I'm going to be talking about 3 things that make up the edge of a profitable trader today. So I'm going to get straight into it. Let's get started. So number 1 is your trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, you can't be profitable in the first place. If you don't understand your strategy to the fullest, you don't know how to execute it properly, then you can't expect to be a profitable trader. So you might be thinking, how can I understand my trading plan better? First, you need to be collecting data, you need to be back testing, you need to be forward testing, and you need to just fully understand your plan inside and out. Trading plan is making up a strategy and executing your strategy without buy or market conditions and etc. A good trading plan needs to be able to be easy to follow, not difficult, and basically for anyone to be able to follow it. The best way to tell if you have a good trading plan or not is to pretend that you're speaking to someone and they ask you, oh, what is your trading plan, bro? If you can explain to them clearly, oh, first I'll do this and I'll do that, then you have a good trading plan. And if you're thinking like, oh, I don't know how to explain my trading plan, then you don't really have a trading plan, or you don't even understand your own trading plan. And if you don't understand your own trading plan, how can you be a profitable trader? Moving on to number 2 of 3 things that make your trading edge, it has to be psychology/mindset. Mindset coming into the market has to be completely unbiased. And I feel like in the whole trading space, people say, oh, you need to be robotic with your trades, you need to feel no emotion. But I feel like it's only natural as humans to feel a certain type of way when we win or lose a trade. We're not going to be completely like, oh, we're not robots, we're humans, we feel things. And if you don't feel things, then you need to go get some help. But it's impossible to feel nothing. It's genuinely impossible to feel nothing. So when people say, oh, you need to be a robot, you need to be this, you need to not take it personal. That's what you need to do. And you need to understand that not taking it personal means not revenge trading, not over risking, which we'll get onto in the next point. But essentially, don't be too hard on yourself if you lose a trade and you feel a certain type of way. That's not you having bad psychology, that's just you being human. Having bad psychology, like I said before, over trading, over risking, doing stupid things that you shouldn't be doing, that is bad psychology. So you might be thinking, how can I build good psychology? My cat is making noises. So you might be thinking, how can I build good psychology? If you want to build good psychology, you need to practice these good habits over and over again. Losing a trade and just getting off the markets for the day. Just closing and trying not to feel a certain type of way. Having a victim mindset, thinking like, oh, the markets are against me. Because things happen, losing streaks happen. And if you want to build a good mindset, you need to understand that your time will come and you just got to wait your turn, really, and eventually things will fall into place. Now when it comes to psychology and mindset, you've got to understand there's no holy grail of strategy, there's no holy grail of anything trading. Everything's the same at the end of the day. It's just lines moving on the screen. And strategies, they're all irrelevant. We just call them strategies, like, oh, this strategy works. Really, the market's just moving whatever direction they want to move. Yes, there's news, there's events, etc. But at the end of the day, we're just trying to make our way through. So psychology, it helps to think, you know what, this is just a market and I'm trying to trade it. There's no holy grail strategy that's going to make me profitable. And tying into what I was saying before about over trading and over risking, there's the third key point of having an edge, which is risk management. Risk management is really underrated. And I say this, you might think, oh no, it's not, but it is, trust me. I've met a lot of traders that don't use risk management, they fall poor, and I used to be one, so I know firsthand. When I first started trading, I would full poor all my accounts. I blew about 3 funded accounts because I would just full poor. And yes, I did pass a couple funded, but I lost them because I kept full pouring. I didn't risk it all. I didn't even know what a lot size calculator was, and I put in random lot amounts and I would blow accounts. So risk management, you have to have a good fixed risk plan. If you don't, then you're not going to make it very far, because you're just going to keep blowing accounts, and it's not a sustainable way to make money. It's gambling. And if you want to do that, then you can go do some casino stuff, go from gambling sites or whatever, go talk to Drake or whatever. I know he likes gambling, but anyways, if you don't have risk management, you're gambling. So risk management, you need to figure out your risk plan. It's similar, it ties into your trading plan. And see, all these three aspects are the same thing. It's an edge. Like I was saying at the start, this is a trading edge. They all tie in together. Your risk management ties into your trading plan. Your trading plan ties into your mindset and psychology. So to have good risk management, you can't have one without the other. Risk management is what will keep you afloat as a trader, being able to make a constant living off trading and not just making random money and losing money. So that's what's important. For example, for me, my risk management plan is I just risk 1% on every single trade that I take, win or lose. If I'm 5% in drawdown, I'm still risking 1%. And that's because me personally, if I'm going through a bad period in trading, I'm okay with losing the account because I have no connection to the account. And that's just me personally. But that's going to wrap up the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for the love recently. It's been kind of crazy, I can't lie. Message me on Discord if you want to talk about anything, and catch you in the next one.